Hey folks, Catfish and Cliff Road here. We're at Brown County State Park.
That's right. It is the last weekend of October, and we are in the location in Indiana that is very well known, and it's peak color time. Brown County State Park has got some of the greatest views and best color variation. Check this out.
To be a different man, time may change me, but I can't trace.
Alright, so while the views along the main drive here at the park are amazing, it's also one of the busiest areas of the park. As you can imagine, this time of year with all the fall colors and all the changes, this place can get very busy. So we're going to head on to the trails out here, see the colors from within, and hopefully get away a little bit from the crowds, right buddy?
Yep.
We're on a hike on Trail 10, which is supposed to be one of the more rugged trails here at Brown County State Park. We are going to do Trail 10 counterclockwise. Lead the way, Catfish.
Yep.
So while we're here seeing the season changes with the leaves and all,
Yeah.
Catfish here is going through some pretty serious changes as well, right buddy?
Yep.
Yeah, our adventures are going to be a little more sporadic, I guess you would say, as Catfish and his mom are moving to Tennessee. So I'll still be stuck here in Indiana, but he gets to live the dream down in Tennessee, down in the forests and mountains and stuff, huh buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a big change for both of us. But we're going to make it work, aren't we?
Yep.
I don't expect to see anything right now, but this is a nice little frog pond here. I've hiked this trail one other time, and it's been quite a few years ago. And this little bitty pond right here was just full of frogs. And ever since then, we keep our eye out for frog ponds. So if you ever seen one of our videos where we're going around looking for frogs, this is kind of what started it. I'm sure at this point in the year, they've all found their spot to hibernate.
Yeah.
Can you do it? See froggies? Yeah, don't fall in. Keep going. Don't throw it one. See them on the low? Do you see them?
Yeah.
This is a little frog pond, Caden. Do you see him on the sticks in the water? Oh, there's one guy's head's poking out of the water. Yep, right there. He's got his head poking out.
Yeah. Ah.
There's 4 of them on that log. Makes you think of one of the shelters like on the Appalachian Trail or something, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This-
Does it say Glendale?
Yep.
Somebody called. People painted on it.
There's always going to be graffiti. People can't leave things alone. Well, that is it for Trail 10 here at Brown County State Park. Any thoughts on this trail, Catfish?
The leaves are pretty beautiful. There's lots of glitch here, though, isn't there?
There's mud.
Yeah.
Glitch, as we like to call it as we step in it. Yeah, it's been a pretty wet fall here in Indiana this year, and we just had a full day of rain yesterday. But yeah, these colors, so many yellows, so much brightness to it.
Yeah.
And we're lucky to have the sun out today to really make those colors pop. All right, we're going to keep on hiking.
Yep.
Peace out.